Okay, hello guys. So, continuation ng discussion dun sa geometric mean. So, what is the geometric mean of 4 and 16? So, as I said, continuation siya ng discussion tungkol sa geometric sequence. So, discuss muna natin kung ano ang geometric sequence. So, halimbawa ng geometric sequence ay 2, 6, 18, and 54. Ang geometric sequence, yung first term, minomultiply siya ng common ratio or isang number na kung saan minultiply yung first ng isang number na yon, same with the second term. Makukuha yung second term by multiplying the first term by the common ratio. So, 6. So, paano nakuha yung 6? That is 2 times 3, di ba? So, nakuha yung common ratio na 3, that is yung second term, which is 6, divide by the first term. The second term, divide by the first term, is the common ratio. Same with the third term, 18, divided by the second term, 6, and also equals to the fourth term divided by the third term, 18. All of them, lahat sila ay 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 54 divided by 18 is 3. So therefore, ang common ratio niya is 3. So, nakukuha yung common ratio by dividing the second term by the first term, dividing the third term by the second term, and so on. So, ganun pag geometric sequence. Okay. So, dito tayo. So, 4, blank, and 16. So, yung pagitan ng first term, which is the second term, and the third term, is the geometric mean. So, paano nga kinukuha yung common ratio? That is the second term, which is x, which is the unknown, divided by the first term, equals the third term divided by the second term. The second term divided by the first term is equal to the third term divided by the second term. That is the common ratio. Then, ang lumabas ay a proportion. So, dalawang ratio na equal. Okay, by cross-multiplying, so x times x is x squared. Then, 4 times 16, that is pwedeng hindi na natin siya i-multiply. 4 times 16. Then, solve natin siya. Tatanggalin natin yung squared. Para matanggal, i-square root natin both side. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of x squared is x. Right? So, square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 16 is 4. Then, 2 times 4 is 8. So, etong x na to is 8. Kaya, 4, 8, 16. Ano ngayon ang common ratio niya? 8 divided by 4 is the same as 16 divided by 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So, the common ratio now is 2. Right? And balik tayo dun sa pinakatanong, what is the geometric mean of 4 and 16? The geometric mean is 8. Right? So, I hope na may natutunan. That is all about geometric sequence and geometric mean. Thank you so much. Please follow for more.